Hello everybody. We're going to talk about being best partner you can trust in investment management to cryptocurrency, currencies, and ETF. We have an omnipresent existence, best partner you can trust in investment management. Possess a portfolio with diversified international assets as a stakeholder. You'll get sustainable and balanced income with us. Never afraid of taking a giant leap, more diverse, more success. About us, the partner you can rely on to come with the best things to offer with our private investment. Our optimal strategies come from solid investment tech and analysis before market entry so that you can take control for an attractive return. We use open source software. We use open source technologies including Python, programming language. We also use leading trading platforms to prototype trading ideas, e.g. Motorwave. We're never afraid of taking the giant leap. Our research allows primarily following hot capital flow for maximum return. We also have high performing assets which are chosen at the right time for maximum performance. Timing is everything for optimal returns. Mainstream assets include currencies, cryptocurrency, ETF, equity, and so on. We've got experience that gives us the best lessons. With 10 years of experience, we have survived all market conditions, slow economies ranging from recession to boom cycles. Several strategies and bots have been implemented to meet these conditions. The fraud from other parties. Don't let trading social media gurus fool you with no proven track record. It's crucial not just to choose those who are only interested in short-term gain with little or no experience. We have an expanding market. Unlike professional portfolio managers, we can explore new emerging asset classes, for instance, cryptocurrency. For example, we developed our momentum-based strategy in early days of crypto to get a max return of 25 years over 2 years. Our strategies help us to become stronger. Over the years, we have developed several strategies to satisfy all market regimes. To quickly adjust to fast-moving market changes with access to over 300 strategies and indicators, many can be combined, which are developed relatively quickly. Our diverse investment success. Quant and fundamental analysis consistently outperform markets with our added diversity to use technical indicators to confirm new trading ideas. Now, this is how we become your best investment partner. You join our Quant Elite membership for access to all our products and services. Regardless of your technical knowledge, you can still take full advantage of our frequent high-performing instruments to help boost long-term gains in your portfolio. Technical folks will be able to take advantage of over 6 courses ranging from components of bots with Python code to coding course to implement your trading ideas. Get in touch. Reach out to us to learn more about our capabilities to help enhance your portfolio's future trading solutions and analysis. We're on Telegram. We have our website, quantlabs.net, and of course, email sales@quantlabs.net. Thank you. Want to be the best partner you can trust in investment management. Over and out.